Welcome back, Solid Rock Entertainment family. Welcome to another series of The Solid Foundation, where we react and review to foundational and positive reggae and all type of music, right? And on this series, on this episode, we're highlighting, reacting and reviewing to Marcia Griffiths' 17th studio album, Golden. And we're going to get into track number 7, right? Produced by Adrian Dansom Records, right? And written, composed by Adrian Dansom, and the writers are Ashley Cooper and Musa Doumbaya. Must be African. No matter where you come from, as long as you're a black man, you are an African. But nonetheless, Musa Doumbaya and Ashley Cooper are the writers of this track, and the composer is Adrian Dansom Records. And this is a tune entitled Black Tears Remix. Not the refix, but the remix. And we're going to jump into it right now. Black Tears, ladies and gentlemen. In comes.
Black tears. Black tears. We no need no more. For years, up and years, we've been shedding black tears, and now we're standing in quicksand. Now tell me who is to blame? It lies with us and no one else. We shedding every day. Black people wasting away. Black tears drowning our minds. Black people walking blind. That's the wool of our eyes. Our future don't look bright, but we have the answer to shed no more black tears.
Farafin de nyaji brekaba. Depuis ambe mautelela. Farafin la nyaji brekaba tune. Antelela anga yere yininga munibana farafin tonya farafin malo farafin tesiranga farafin java.
We shedding every.
And that was an artist by the name of Tiken Jah Fakoly. Tiken Jah Fakoly. Yes, that was the artist that you just heard a while ago. Yes, Tiken, Tiken, Tiken Jah Fakoly. In comes.
Every day, we will stop wasting away. No more cloud in our minds. No more walking blind. No more wool of our eyes. We future gonna be bright. We have the answer. Stand up for our rights. We gonna stop the black tears. Black tears.
By hearing that woyo in the background, and then Marcia saying no more black tears, this just puts me in the mind of Bob Marley's song No More Trouble. We don't need no more trouble. If you're up, look down from above. Help the weak if you are strong. We don't need no more trouble. Saying Black Tears continue.
Black tears. For years, up and years, we've been shedding black tears, and now we're standing in quicksand. Now tell me who is to blame? It lies with us and no one else.
Gentlemen. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, that was Black Tears, the remix by Marcia Griffiths and Tiken Jah Fakoly on the Dansom label, right? And as I said before, this one was composed by Adrian Dansom Hansen and Ashley Cooper, the writer, and Musa Dumbaya. Saying, yes, so that was Black Tears. And I'm telling you, very relevant in these times because, especially right now in Jamaica, I'm telling you, we just lost 2 8-year-olds in a shootout in Montego Bay. And apart from that, man, a lot of black tears have been shed on the island, man. And I don't know what's going to happen. And it's just an earthquake where it was shit the other day. And I think it's a sign, you know. Yeah. Scientifically, they'd say that the earth is doing what it does, but on a spiritual level, you know, because we not just have physical, we have spiritual. On a spiritual level, just sending a warning because too much wickedness are going on the land, may I tell you. I don't like how it run. I don't like it, man. So enough of the black tears. Enough black tears have been shed. Enough hurt has been done amongst our people, amongst us as a people. Too much wickedness, man. You know. And I understand that the scripture said it, that mankind's heart will be desperately wicked in those times. But yeah, I guess prophecy have to be fulfilled. But it's hurtful to hear some of the news you hear coming out of a place that you love, you know. And things are happening that shouldn't be happening. But again, as I said before, it's fulfillment of prophecy. And I know for sure that the Almighty will give his just due to the wicked and the good equally. So we just have to just let Jah do what he does as we continue through this journey of this thing called life. Anyway, like, positively, comment, share, and subscribe for the vibe as we keep reggae music alive. Yes, and this is from the album Golden, Marcia Griffith's 17th studio album, released on September 8th, 2023, and on October 16th, Miss Marcia Griffiths, the queen of reggae music, after over 60 years, or nearly 60 years in the music industry, received her OJ Award. And I'm telling you, it is more than well deserved for such a queen as herself, right? Yes, and it's the 4th highest honor on the island of Jamaica. So we're going to keep it pushing and keep it rolling to prevent it from scrolling. Okay? Yeah, man. Don't like the vibes, but we're going to keep it positive. See? Yes. And we hope for no more black tears. Okay? Yeah.